You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American actress. If you want to learn more celebrity names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You want to listen to and learn from Chloe, not Chloe. That's how she says it. CH is pronounced like a K. Chloe Fineman. So it's not Fineman. That would be the British English pronunciation, but she's American actress, comedian. Fineman. How to pronounce Chloe Fineman. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.